Master your moves, perfecting body language in public speaking. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of public speaking, your body language. This often overlooked skill can greatly enhance your presentations and make them more engaging and impactful. So, let's explore how you can use your body language effectively to command attention and make your message more persuasive. Body language plays a key role in how we communicate. It's not just what we say, but how we say it that matters. Our postures, gestures, facial expressions, and eye contact can convey confidence, interest, and credibility. So, mastering these aspects of nonverbal communication can make you a more effective speaker. An upright posture signifies confidence and authority. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your chest out. Avoid slumping or leaning, as this might make you appear less confident. Remember, your posture is the foundation of your body language. It sets the tone for your entire presentation. Gestures can greatly improve the clarity of your speech. They help visualize your words and make your talk more engaging. But remember, your gestures should be natural and match the content of your speech. Avoid excessive or repetitive movements that might distract your audience. Your face can express a multitude of emotions, and using this effectively can add depth to your presentation. If your words are cheerful but your face is neutral, there's a disconnect. Make sure your facial expressions align with the tone of your speech. Smiling, raising your eyebrows, or even showing surprise can make your talk more authentic and relatable. Maintaining eye contact is a powerful way to connect with your audience. It makes them feel seen and engaged. Try to make eye contact with various members of your audience, not just those in the front row. This helps create a more intimate and inclusive atmosphere. Remember, effective body language can significantly enhance your public speaking skills. It's not only about perfecting your verbal communication but also mastering the nonverbal cues. Practice these tips, and you'll be well on your way to delivering more engaging and impactful presentations. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy practicing.